Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we talk about your Apple ID or password is incorrect. How to fix this? First of all, open setting, tap on Wi-Fi and make sure your internet connection working properly. After this, go back, tap on general, tap on software update and check if any update is available. First of all, update this. After this, tap on date and time and always turn on this. Scroll down, tap on VPN and device management and check if any VPN is connected. First of all, turn on off VPN. After this, tap on screen time, tap on content and privacy restriction and always turn off this. After this, go back and now restart your mobile phone. Hopefully your problem will be solved. If your problem is not solved again, so try to reset your Apple ID password. If it's not working, open Safari and search here I forget apple.com and try here to reset your Apple ID password. If your problem is not solved again, so create a new Apple ID if you need it. If it's not working, so try on an other iPhone. Hopefully your problem will be solved.